Anbi and I'm in Hercules' house. Today I'm going to tell you about electricity. Electricity is all around us. It gives us light, it charges our phones, laptops and tablets, and also it keeps us warm and cool, and also it is the source of energy that gives everything the power to work and move. Everything around us is made out of tiny particles called neutrons, protons and electrons. When the electrons move, it creates electricity. There are two types of electricity. One, I'm just going to call my assistant Jendriga to rub the balloon on her head. This is my assistant Jendriga. I'm going to rub the balloon on her head. See, you saw her hair was moving and touching the balloon. That is called static electricity. What is static electricity? When I rub the balloon on Jinky's hair, then the electrons jump onto the balloon. And then the hair goes stick onto the balloon, and that is static electricity. Static electricity can be fun, but can you use it to light a torch like this? No, because for that you need a battery. The second type of electricity is current electricity. That's when the electrons flow. And that's my main experiment today. An Italian scientist, Luigi Galvani, poked a dead frog with a zinc and copper strip, and then the legs started moving. And don't worry, I'm not going to poke this dog because he's my pet and I love him. How about we poke something else? We're going to power a digital clock. For that we're going to use a copper strip, a zinc strip and a wire. The first ever battery was made by another Italian scientist called Alessandro Volta. He used a goblet full of salt water. Don't taste it. Believe me, it is disgusting. So we're going to be using something else, something you eat and something you never expected. It's called a potato. Before we start, we must put our safety glasses on because you can never be too careful. So I already connected the zinc rod and the copper rod with the wires to the clock, and see, it's still not working. So let's try something else. So here I got the potato. Now let's poke the zinc rod in and also the copper. And the clock is working. So, let me tell you how the potato clock works. The zinc and the copper rod goes into the potato. That causes a chemical reaction. That chemical reaction is the zinc is losing a lot of electrons and the copper is getting a lot of spare electrons. And then the wire comes in. The wire hits the road, and then all the electrons just rush back to the zinc, and then that causes for the clock to work. The potato clock can also be an apple clock. See, it works. So, we can also do it with strawberry milk. See, it works. You can do this with most anything you eat or drink. This is Aisha, Naik's potato apple